A capacitor C1 is charged to a potential difference V. The charging battery is then removed and the capacitor is connected to an unchanged capacitor C2. The final potential difference across the combination is option A V C1 upon C1 plus C2, option B V C2 upon C1 plus C2, option C V C1 plus C2 upon C1, option D V C1 plus C2 upon C2. Correct answer option A V C1 upon C1 plus C2. In the above problem, if U is the initial stored energy in capacitor C1, the final stored energy in the combination is option A U C1 upon C1 plus C2, option B U C2 upon C1 plus C2, option C U C1 plus C2 upon C1, option D U C1 plus C2 upon C2. Correct answer option A U C1 upon C1 plus C2. A 100 microfarad capacitor is to have an energy content of 50 joule. In order to operate a flash lamp, the voltage required to charge the capacitor is option A 500 volt, option B 1000 volt, option C 1500 volt, option D 2000 volt. Correct answer option B 1000 volt. A parallel plate capacitor is charged to a certain potential difference. A slab of thickness 3 mm is inserted between the plates and it becomes necessary to increase the distance between the plates by 2.4 mm to maintain the same potential difference. The dielectric constant of the slab is option A 3, option B 5, option C 2.5, option D 2.4. Correct answer option B 5. Three capacitors 2, 3 and 6 microfarad are connected in series to a 10 volt source. The charge on the 3 microfarad capacitor in microcoulombs is option A 5, option B 10, option C 12, option D 15. Correct answer option B 10. In the network shown below, all the capacitors are of 1 microfarad. The equivalent capacitance between P and Q in microfarads is option A 4, option B 1 by 4, option C 3 by 4, option D 4 by 3. Correct answer option D 4 by 3. The equivalent capacitance in microfarad of the network circuit given below is option A 1, option B 2, option C 1.5, option D 3. Correct answer option A 1. A capacitor having a capacity of 2 microfarad is charged up to 200 volt and its plates are joined to a wire. The heat produced in joule will be option A 4 into 10 raised to the power 4, option B 4 into 10 raised to the power 10, option C 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 2, option D 2 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. Correct answer option C 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 2. Two capacitance 4 microfarad and 6 microfarad are connected in series. A potential difference of 500 volt is applied between the outer plates of the system. The charge on each capacitor will be option A 1200 coulomb, option B 6000 coulomb, option C 1200 microcoulomb, option D 6000 microcoulomb. Correct answer option C 1200 microcoulomb. In question 84, the potential difference across the plates of the 4 microfarad capacitor is option A 250 volt, option B 300 volt, option C 400 volt, option D 500 volt. Correct answer option B 300 volt. In the circuit given below, the charge in microcoulomb on the capacitor having capacitance is 5 microfarad is option A 4.5, option B 9, option C 7, option D 15. Correct answer option B 9. Small drops of the same size are charged to V volt each. If n such drops coalesce to form a single large drop, then its potential will be option A n into V, option B V upon n, option C V n raised to the power 1 by 3, option D V n raised to the power 2 by 3. Correct answer option D V n raised to the power 2 by 3. The electric potential at a point situated at a distance r on the axis of a short electric dipole of moment P is proportional to option A P upon R, option B P upon R cube, option C P upon R square, option D 0. Correct answer option C P upon R square. A 1 microfarad capacitor is placed in parallel with a 2 microfarad capacitor across a 100-volt supply. The total charge on the system is option A 100 by 3 microcoulomb, option B 100 microcoulomb, option C 150 microcoulomb, option D 300 microcoulomb. Correct answer option B 300 microcoulomb. Two capacitors of 1 microfarad and 2 microfarad are connected in series across a 100-volt supply. The energy stored in the system is option A 1 upon 300 joules, option B 1 upon 200 joules, option C 1 upon 100 joules, option D 3 upon 100 joule. Correct answer option A 1 upon 300 joules. Each of the four capacitors in the given circuit is 50 microfarad. The charge on each capacitor is option A 5 into 10 raised to the power 3 coulombs, option B 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 coulombs, option C 2.5 into 10 raised to the power 3 coulombs, option D 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 coulombs. Correct answer option B 5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 coulombs. A capacitor of 20 microfarad charged to 500 volt is connected in parallel with another capacitor of 10 microfarad charged to 200 volt. The common potential difference across the combination is option A 300 volt, option B 350 volt, option C 400 volt, option D 700 volt. Correct answer option C 400 volt. In the given circuit, the potential difference across the 2 microfarad capacitor is option A 10 volt, option B 25 volt, option C 45 volt, option D 60 volt. Correct answer option D 60 volt. The equation capacitance of the combination shown in the figure is option A C by 2, option B C, option C 2C, option D 4C. Correct answer option B C. In the figure, the equivalent capacitance between A and B is option A C1 plus C2 plus C3, option B C1 C2 plus C2 C3 plus C3 C1 upon C1 plus C2 plus C3, option C C1 C2 C3 upon C1 C2 plus C2 C3 plus C3 C1, option D none of the above. Correct answer option A C1 plus C2 plus C3. 5 identical capacitors connected in series have an equivalent capacitance of 4 microfarad. If all of them are connected in parallel across a 400 volt source, the total energy stored in them is option A 2 joules, option B 4 joules, option C 8 joules, option D 16 joules. Correct answer option C 8 joules. A capacitor of 1 microfarad withstands a maximum voltage of 6 kilovolt, while another capacitor of 2 microfarad withstands a maximum voltage of 4 kilovolt. If the two capacitors are connected in series, the system will withstand a maximum voltage of option A 2 kilovolt, option B 4 kilovolt, option C 6 kilovolt, option D 9 kilovolt. Correct answer option D 9 kilovolts. 5 capacitors, each of capacity 10 microfarad, are connected to a 100-volt DC supply. As shown, the equivalent capacitance between A and B is option A 40 microfarad, option B 30 microfarad, option C 20 microfarad, option D 10 microfarad. Correct answer option D 10 microfarad. 4 metallic plates, each having area A, are placed as shown. The distance between the consecutive plates is D. Alternate plates are connected to points A and B. The equivalent capacitance of the system is option A, epsilon naught A upon D, option B, 2 epsilon naught A upon D, option C, 3 epsilon naught A upon D, option D, 4 epsilon naught A upon D. Correct answer option C, 3 epsilon naught A upon D. 4 metallic plates, each having area A, are placed parallel to each other such that the distance between the consecutive plates is D. The two outer plates are connected to point A and the two inner plates to point B. The equivalent capacitance between A and B is option A epsilon naught A upon D, option B 2 epsilon naught A upon D, option C 3 epsilon naught A upon D, option D 4 epsilon naught A upon D. Correct answer option B 2 epsilon naught A upon D.